Hello, Sachin. Sachin Gaikwad Sanju. Sachin Gaikwad and Sanju. Good. Yeah. Sachin, how are you? Sachin, unmute कर लीजिए. Yeah.
Fine, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine, fine. अच्छा, आपका interview is on 6th.
6 December. Yes.
Oh, आपका interview is on 6th December. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, did you go through the questions that they have been asking in Hyderabad and all?
Yes, sir.
Our,
Yes, sir.
yes, Ambasiva has posted. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, it is more or less similar only and nothing new. But the only thing is, how confident are you going to speak about them? Supposing we go in the questions, they are asking about your family, sales experience. Acha, what about you? Do you have sales experience?
No, sir. No core sales experience. I have.
Yeah, you completed your mechanical in which year?
2020, 2020.
Acha, after that, you have been working for some. Are you going to mention about that in the interview?
That's how I was asking. So, should I mention it or not?
Acha, have you given it in the application or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
Not given. But then, when you mention that you are working, it will give you more marks.
Okay.
It will give you good weightage in the sense that you are not keeping idle, but you are working.
Yes.
You are working as a part-time faculty or a regular faculty.
It is a part time means the lectures is 3 days in a week for 2 hours, sir.
Okay, there is part-time lecturer. Good, good. And इसका मतलब ये है, you have to go to college every day or only on those days?
On those days, whenever I have a lecture.
Acha, only those days. Acha. Then you can tell them that you are working as a part-time lecturer.
Yes.
And for which subject you tell? Which subject are you taking classes?
Information communication technology, first year subject, sir.
Oh, information communication technology. That's what you are taking. Can you please tell briefly about that subject?
Yes, sir. It's a subject for the common subject for every branch in diploma in mechanical engineering.
Hmm.
The subject is all about the introduction to the communication technologies, like start from the computer systems to internet browsing.
Hmm.
It's all about that, sir. And it's only a practical subject. There is no theory exam for that subject.
Acha, acha. Practical means what? What type of practical do they give?
Just like we have, I teach them the Microsoft suite like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word
Hmm.
practicals according to assignments given by the MSBT board. I
Hmm.
am conducting their practice.
Acha. Uh, should the candidates work out on the computer and show you about whether they know it or not? Are you
No, sir. Because of this COVID situations, the practicals are going on only virtual means through Google Meet,
Hmm.
and they are submitting their copies on the classrooms, the screenshots of their projects, sir.
Acha, acha. Whatever they write in their hand, they give it to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, Sachin and our Sambasiva has come. We will talk to him. Sambasiva,
Uh,
Good evening, sir.
Sambasiva, good evening. So how was your
Sir,
interview?
firstly, thank you for your guidance and all support, sir.
Thank you so much. I think you are happy about the experience you had, correct?
Sir, actually happy, but at the time, somewhat some fear was there because first time interview, I
Yeah.
went for first time interview.
Mhm. So what did you say about family questions? Or they asked about your family. Did you tell your father is a teacher and all?
Yes, sir, I told teacher. He asked government teacher means yes, government teacher. I told.
Mhm. Good. Then
My mother is a homemaker, and I forgot about tell about my sibling.
mm,
Uh, he asked after he have that form. He asked Do you have any sibling? Oh, sorry, sir. And tell my sister, I have younger sister like that. I told.
Oh, very good. Then what about sales experience? How did you manage this question?
And he asked first, you have any sale experience? He asked,
Mm,
but I told that, sir, directly I did not work anywhere. But
mm,
my friend having sweet shop like homely sweets.
mm,
In there we canvassing like what pamphlets
mm.
we distributed pamphlets that I told.
Acha,
He
acha.
asked, how is that business means?
Mm.
Business is good. The family members will take over. I will tell that.
Where is that sweet shop? Which place?
In Hyderabad only, sir.
Hyderabad only. Acha, acha. Which sweet is sold more in your shop?
Laddu, sir. My friend's father will do by his own hands every day.
No, no. Which one is sold more? Say
Laddus.
laddus. Acha. Good, good, good. Do you try to make laddus of quality of Tirupati or try to reach that standard? What are the extra ingredients you add to that laddu?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Somebody else will be cooking it.
Yes. Actually, I compared with many sweet shop laddus, and these laddu, it will be somewhat good.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Then what is the next question? Sell
He asked,
car loan.
car loan, same in the place of home loan, I added car loan. I said the matter according to the situation, sir. He asked me, okay, this all will be there. Then how will you sell that car? I said earlier, good interest rates according to another private banks, and we have add-on insurance scheme. Like on loan also, if you miss any term EMI, you can get a add-on insurance scheme with terms and conditions. Like that I said, sir. He asked me, okay, then how will you, this all will be another bank also, and how will you approach them? He asked that. I told that while canvassing, I will take their details and I will contact with them. I will touch with them. I will, according to their views, I will observe I will read their like that. I tell, sir. According to that, I will convince them and I will give the car loan.
Good. Very good, very good. Car loan, did you mention about salary slip or say income tax return and all that, or you could not remember that?
No, sir, I did not remember that.
Doesn't matter, no problem. Then next question you have given is that questions on what we explained. Why bank? What did you answer for this?
On that car loan, he asked me, okay, what type of like car loans will be selling like that? He asked, like Bajaj insurance like that. I did not remember that Bajaj. I am telling Balaji. He said Bajaj. I said Bajaj, sir.
Good. Doesn't matter.
That is the last question.
Acha. Then what about FIP? Why FIP? What did you answer?
Sir, according to that program, I have seen in this program, and I would like to learn something new through Manipal University, because someone teaching to means it is very good to me, and I will learn more things in that program. Because of that, I have chosen in this also the termination also there, but I will work hard and I have hope on my success.
They asked about previous experience. You don't have any experience, na?
Sir, experience means I kept experience, sir.
Acha. You have kept some experience. Very good. You explained
about computer operator.
Oh, very good. You explained about that.
Yes, sir. First question only he asked that only.
And did they ask details of your work experience?
Details means what you have work experience, he told. Yes, sir, I have working experience. After MBA, I have worked in computer operator,
Mm.
but they did not taught me anything. What I want, they did not taught me. After COVID, they give less salary to me. Afterwards, I have resigned to that company. I told sir.
Very good. Correct.
He asked me, due to COVID, they reduced the employees. That like he said, no sir, I only resigned. That like I said, sir.
Excellent. Then did you write any bank exams? Did you tell them that you wrote bank
Yes, sir.
exam? Yeah.
I tell them I did not write any exams. Only this IBPS PO clerk I have applied like that. I told sir.
Mm.
He asked me, you cleared prelims or you are writing means? No
Mm.
sir, I just applied. The prelims are going in this month only. I did not applied any bank in earlier. I only IBPS clerk and PO and this federal bank only. These three only I have applied like that. I told, sir.
Then did they not question you why you have not applied earlier?
No, sir, I did not. Because of that, I sir.
Adagale.
If I say I write means he will ask one or two questions on that. Because of that, I did not write any bag exam.
You told like that. Very good. Very good. Best wishes. At what time was your interview? Were you in the first or last or in the middle?
Actually, second batch, sir, 11:30 to 12:30.
Mm-hmm. Acha,
But
yeah, in the interview, sufficient number of people are coming every day, or there is some kali vacancy hai na? Because
one or two absent.
no, some people don't come, na? Some or everybody is coming.
Mostly coming, sir. One or two absent.
One or two only absent. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. I'm sure you would have done well. Everything is in God's hands. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go to our Sachin. Why don't you raise questions to Sachin? Sambasiva, now you can put questions to Sachin. Come on. Try.
Sachin, what did you come? What is your degree?
I did my degree in BTech Mechanical Engineering
At which year?
in 2020.
Why did not you take another sector? Why are you choosing banking?
According to me, the banking sector is providing the secure and the white collar job in India. And as I worked in mechanical engineering, I found myself sound in mechanical terms. But when I went to apply this knowledge in the company, I realized that the knowledge is not paying me enough. So that I am choosing this banking sector, where the knowledge and the skills will be going hand in hand.
Why don't you take government sector in banking?
Yes, basically, I am trying for the banking sector just because the banking sector is providing a better salary than the other sector, government sector. That's why I'm coming to the banking sector.
Okay, sir. One question they asked to me.
Yeah.
This is a sales job. This is a sales job. Like that we started. Yes, sir. I know this is a sales job. While reading notification, I understand. Like I said, sir. He asked me, how did you know while reading the notification? He asked me. In notification, there is a not mentioned like a sales job.
Acha, is it not mentioned in the advertisement that this is sales job?
No, sir.
No, sir,
Relation to
directly
executive.
not mentioned.
Not mentioned. Acha. Okay.
I
Now I think
said that.
I think they are while it is sales job, after confirmation you may be used in regular office after 2 years.
Yes, sir.
After 2 years, for the first 2 years, you have to give your maximum best. You have to be going on trying all avenues, like that one funny video I posted. You saw somebody
Yes, sir.
CGC.
Yes, sir.
That was so funny. So funny. India Bulls Housing Finance. You saw that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Similarly, only Geo is canvassing, then Idea is canvassing, everybody is canvassing. But this is one methodology, but I'm not sure whether out of that we will get good customers. Because, after all that, when you fill up the application and take it to your bank, the sanctioning authority will tell that you are not having adequate payment capacity, so they may not sanction also. But on your part, you can be going on canvassing and you can prove your records. I brought so many people for loans. So that is a thing. So Sachin, what is your thinking? Supposing you try 100 people, how many people will come to you?
Yes, sir. According to me, the success rate for my canvassing will be up to 90% because I have the confidence that I can convince the people.
Good,
Uh, yes.
excellent. If you are answering that way, it is okay. What about Shamba Shiva? How much is your, supposing you canvass 100 people, how many people will come, do you think?
I think it will be not bad, but nearly 50 or more than 50%, it will be definitely success.
Yeah, it depends, it depends on the people whom we are approaching. Sanju, are you there? Sanju, can you speak? Your mic is okay. Sanju is from, Sanju, you are from which state?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. You are from which state?
I am from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, sir.
தமிழ்நாடு சென்னை ஆச்சா. என்ன படிச்சிருக்கீங்க? What is it you have studied?
Engineering in Electronics and Communication.
Engineering, Electronics and Communication from which college?
St. Joseph's College. Sir.
Oh, super. I think we talked earlier. Did we talk earlier? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Once.
talked with you.
Yeah, very good, very good. What is the CGPA you scored in your degree?
7.89. Sir.
Oh, good. Was there any campus recruitment and you missed it? Or which year did you complete your
2018, sir. Actually, campus interview was there, but I am not interested to get into IT sector.
Oh, you were not interested in IT sector, so you could not get. After that, have you had the opportunity of working somewhere?
Yes, sir. I worked as a cricket commentator.
This is that boy. Very interesting,
Yes,
he is writing commentary. Today's cricket. Can you please tell us about today's cricket or yesterday's cricket?
Yes, sir. Today's cricket is between India and New Zealand.
Hmm.
Actual concept is we have to type what actually happened in the ball. For example, Rohit pulls the short ball outside of over the deep square leg ropes for a boundary. Like that, we have to type the ball by ball commentary.
Okay, ball by ball commentary. Are Baba?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh. No, but what is your idea regarding that Virat Kohli is out? Was he really out or not out?
Sir,
Did you see that? Did you see that video? I saw that only now. Here, the ball comes first and hits on his leg, and then only it comes to the bat. So I
yes,
think
sir.
his being declared out is correct in my view. But in the social forums, many people are arguing that he is not out, he is not out. Because Sachin, he got out for 0.
Yeah, fourth ball itself he got out.
Yeah,
I think Ajaz Patel bowled the door.
yeah, I don't know who bowled that, but he was out with 0 runs, and he did not accept that also. He was arguing with the umpire also. Then only he went out. I saw that portion of video only in the television now. So now tell me, as a commentator, what is the usefulness of third eye? What is the usefulness of third eye TV?
So for many purpose, it is useful. If we have a confusion among the run out, then we can appeal to third umpire. He will check whether it is out or not. And
Good.
his decision is final.
Oh, good. Now tell me, Sanju, how do you think the sales is going to be a suitable job for you?
Sorry, sir.
How do you think this bank job where you have to sell products is suitable for you?
Sir, I am actually interested to communicate with others. I don't want to fight with computer in front of all the time in IT lab. So
Correct.
so I'm
Interesting.
interested.
Oh, no, but this alone will not do. You may have to talk something more because you say I am interested in communication and you stop immediately after 3 or 4
Yes, sir,
sentences.
and the salary offered by bank is very impressive for me.
Mhm.
That's one
That's
of the main reason.
no, but
And bank has a direct contact with the development of the economy, and I want to be a part in the
mm, mm.
country's economy.
No. Here for this question, what you can say, I am interested in getting a job. What is your father?
Sir, he is a e-publisher, sir.
Acha, he is also a publisher. Yeah. My family requires my getting a job now, and I would like to settle in a job. And under these circumstances, this sales job will be very useful for me because I am very good in talking to people, convincing others. I would like to speak to as many people as possible and try to market our products. I will find out what are all the new strategies we can adopt for selling the product through social media, through public contact, through say newspaper advertisement, whatever it is. And I will try to become a member of some clubs, associations also, try to push the product for sales. I am very keen on pushing the product sales because my family will be finding my job, that is remuneration out of my job, as very helpful for them. So that has made me show more interest in this. And in this commentary writing, I'm not getting adequate compensation. And also this is not a permanent job, and only when matches are there I have to write. So my pay packet is low, so I want to join this and I will do my level best to achieve the targets. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You try that now. Try telling like that with some feelings. You must it should not be as if it is dramatic, but you must feel and speak about it. Please speak.
Um, First of all, I don't want to get into the IT sector. Then
Mm.
I like to
Mm,
communicate with others. I will do my level best.
mm.
Mm, Sir, I need some time.
No problem. But then sometimes if they want to cross you, they can cross you by asking, you say you don't want to get into IT sector. Don't you
Yes.
know IT sector is the sector of the day? That is only progressing very well. Now, what is your answer, Sachin? Now, this is the area that, and you are also teaching IT or computer in the college. Now, why should you not get yourself associated with Infosys or TCS like that?
No, sir, because
Yeah.
uh, my stream is not allowing me to do that. So if I decided to go to this sector now, so I have to struggle in that sector more because I have to go to with the classes of coding and all. It will not be beneficial for me to do at this.
Acha. Coding and all you have to study, and that will be a new subject for you.
Yes.
And again, and it may not be always everybody likes it. You may not like it also. That is
Yes.
true. That is true. This is a good reason. Coding is a new area wherein I'm not sure about doing it well. That is how you can tell it. Good, very good. Now, Sumit,
Sir,
yeah.
the answer of mine for why sales after engineering, I prepared. Is it good, right? Or please,
You can tell about preparing for bank jobs. Nothing wrong.
no, sir. No, sir.
Nothing.
Just why sales only? What is sales and why sales after engineering as a career you choose or you are choosing? If it will be a question, I prepared the answer for that. Is it okay? I will.
Please tell.
Very
Please tell.
Yes, sir. According to me, the sales is the very important pillar of the any financial institution like banks. And as a fresher to start this career, it will give me opportunities like challenging and the opportunities of experience gaining field. So according to me, it will be a great chance to start with career with this innovative field like sales.
Good. But then they can question you. You said you are interested in sales.
Yes.
Why are you not going for sales of other things like, say, selling cars, selling houses?
No, sir.
Like,
First of all, I am interested in the banking sector, and according to me, the base or the pillar of the banking sector is all about sales. So I want to climb the ladder of the success in the banking. So first, I should try with the sales only.
no, supposing there is a private company interested in selling home loan products and they try to give you a job which with a pay much higher than this, twice
No,
this, what
I
will
will
you
not.
do?
I will not accept that offer because there will be not growth for me in this sector as like in the banking sector, because after selling I can climb the another step, which may be a PO in the federal bank.
Good. So, what is your, how do you want to be after 10 years?
After 10 year, if I am if I am in the federal bank interview, sir, I will answer like this. After 10 year, I am seeing myself as a manager, managing a one branch in my or a regional officer managing the regional branch in the federal bank only.
Good. You will continue with federal bank only. You will not go,
Yeah.
supposing you get your state bank job also, you will not go.
First of all, if I selected, because I am trying for the banking sector job, and if I selected in the federal bank, even I will not apply to any other bank, because I will invest my energies and time in the growth in the banking sector of the federal only.
Oh, no, but this job will involve you are being posted to other states also. Is it okay for you to be posted in Karnataka?
Yes, it will be okay, but if the job is about sales, the language will be a barrier for me. So other than language, I have no problem. But if it is a sales job purely, so it will be beneficial if I posted in the own state.
Maharashtra, same Maharashtra.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. Now, can you try to market one home loan product of our bank in Marathi language? Please try in Marathi language.
Okay.
I don't know Marathi, but there may be some of us who know Marathi. Nobody knows Marathi here. Sumit also. Sumit, you know Marathi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm from Maharashtra.
Baba, you have a customer here. Please try to
Okay.
sell product to him. Sachin.
नमस्कार सर. होम लोन बद्दल आमच्या बँकेकडून तुम्हाला काहीतरी वेगळ्या प्रकारच्या फॅसिलिटी देण्यात येतील. फर्स्ट सगळ्यात आधी की इतर बँकेपेक्षा, इतर स्टेट बँक आणि गव्हर्नमेंट बँकेपेक्षा समवॉट आमचा पर्सेंटेज जो इंटरेस्ट रेट आहे तो थोडाफार कमी आहे. आणि बँकिंगच्या इतर म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम्स असा असतो की लाईन मध्ये लागत आणि तुम्हाला वेळ देऊन लोन्स घ्यावे लागतात. तर इथं पेपरलेस फॅसिलिटीज आहेत. जस्ट ओनली एका ऍपमध्ये तुम्हाला तुमच्या पर्यंत लोन्स मिळतील, आणि मोस्ट ऑफ द ही पूर्णपणे पेपरलेस आणि क्लिअरिंग जे टाइम असतो क्लिअरिंग लोनच्या
Okay.
फॉर्मॅलिटीज
हम्म.
करण्यासाठी, तर तो सगळ्यात कमी आहे आमच्या बँकेचा. आणि आम्ही असं म्हणू शकत नाही की प्रोसेसिंग फी नाही आहे, बट सगळ्यात मिनिमम प्रोसेसिंग फी बघाल तर 0.3% इतरांपेक्षा कमी आहे.
Oh, good. Is he
ठीक आहे.
telling, Sumit, is he telling correctly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, now you sell a car loan to him. Sumit.
In Marathi, sir.
Yeah.
नमस्कार सर. मी फेडरल बँकेकडून आलेलो आहे आणि मला तुम्हाला एक प्रत्येकाचं स्वप्न असतं की आपली एक लक्झरियस कार असावी, एक चांगली कार असावी, किंवा आपल्या एका फॅमिलीला आपण एखाद्या टूरवर घेऊन जाण्याइतपत तर आपल्याकडे कार असावी. तर तुमचं हे स्वप्न पूर्ण करण्यासाठी मी फेडरल बँकेकडून आलेलो आहे आणि फेडरल बँकेतूनच लोन घ्यावं असं कारण फेडरल बँकेची ही जी लोन ऑफर आहे ती फार कमी इंटरेस्टमध्ये आहे आणि ॲज कंपॅरिझन टू ऑल ज्या मार्केटमध्ये आता सध्या ऑफर चालू आहेत. प्लस आम्ही तुम्हाला विथआऊट जास्ती लोड कागदपत्राचा न देता एक सुरळीतपणे एक प्रोसिजर जी आहे त्यासाठी आम्ही चांगला प्रयत्न करतोय. आणि डिजिटली आम्ही जितकं होईल तितकं हे लोन तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाईड करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. सर त्यासाठी आम्ही हे कार लोन तुम्हाला देतो.
Yeah, but the case of car loan and all, say this car loan is very convenient because we disburse it quickly, but you need to have say take home salary, that those details also you have to mention. Those details also you should mention in the case of loans. Not that you are giving it as free money, you have to tell
Okay, sir.
what is we will take your salary slip, income tax slip and all that,
Yes.
and your take home pay must be more than 40% of your total pay, then you can avail this. And we give up to 90% of the car as a loan, 90% of the cost of the car. So
Okay, sir.
only 10% you have to pay, like that you should tell. Okay, good.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. Now, do you get any doubts or questions in your mind? Today, Sambasiva has already attended. Sanju, for you, more questions will be on cricket, commentary, and how do you think it will be suitable for, you will be suitable for this, prepare. Then Lucky is traveling today. I think today.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir. I'm free, sir.
you're free. Every day this boy will be traveling. Acha. Lucky, what is your degree?
Engineering, sir.
Which engineering?
Electrical and electronics.
Acha. Which year did you complete?
2017.
2017. You have worked where? In that
Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance.
Aditya Birla. Acha. Tell us about your experience in Aditya Birla and what type of marketing were you doing there?
Actually, sir, today I attended the interview also. HR
Also?
interview.
Already over?
Over, sir.
Acha, please share your experience to us. God bless me. Please tell us. And
Actually,
if
I was there with Samba Shiva also. Today I met with Samba Shiva in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, acha. Oh, both of you met each other. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Congrats.
Yes.
How is Samba Shiva? Was he
He's confident, sir. He's looking confident.
confident?
He did.
Is he
He did
handsome?
well.
Is he looking like Magesh Babu?
Yeah, not more like that, but it is like that only.
Acha.
And
You
they took around 20,
you resemble
took
which
around
cine
20,
actor? You resemble which cine actor?
I resemble him with Vishal.
Vishal. Acha. Tamil se Vishal.
Tamil Vishal.
Acha.
Little bit a height of 3 to 4 inches is less when compared to Vishal. But
So when was your interview? Before Sambasiva or after Sambasiva?
before Samba Shiva, sir.
So what
After,
were the questions they asked you?
actually, there are two members in the panel.
Hmm.
It took around 20 to 25 minutes for me.
Acha. 1 minute. Your interview was for 20 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then.
They have gone through the data, whatever I filled in the application.
Hmm.
Initially, they didn't ask any personal questions to tell me about myself or what are your strengths.
Hmm.
Meanwhile, discussion only. Actually, after entering in the lobby, greetings were there. After completing the greetings, the two members were there. One was gone with the all application data, and he asked me, "What do you know about Federal Bank program?"
Acha. 1 minute.
Question.
About Federal Bank program. Acha, 1 minute. If this if this video comes to an end, we will come back again. Only 6 minutes is there because Lucky can tell us more ideas. We will come back again. That will be good. Continue.
He asked, "What do you know about Federal Bank program?" Then I explained with comparing the products available in the market, not products, the programs available in the market. I compared them and I mentioned the merits and demerits also there. Mentioned more number of merits, less number of demerits. I compared the fee structure with the other banks, the same program. I mentioned the salary structure. I mentioned the work experience. I mentioned their fundamentals. And when it comes to demerits, I mentioned that they are giving on guarantee job, but it is an internship period. I mentioned this.
You mentioned that. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir. I mentioned that one.
What was their reaction? Their face changed or
they are laughing, sir.
Oh.
They are friendly. Basically,
mostly they will not send you out if you are proving at least 50% contribution of what is expected. I
Sir,
mean,
they are in friendly
no,
nature only.
but nobody will guarantee because it all depends
Nobody
on
will guarantee it.
management's desire. Continue.
And the second question was, are you willing to relocate in Mumbai?
Ayyo.
After
Ah.
seeing my experience and all these things, he was gone through and asked me a question that, are you willing to relocate in Mumbai? And
Because you worked in
before
Mumbai.
that, he asked me, are you married? Say, yes, sir, I am married. I am family with 2 kids. Then he asked me to, are you willing to relocate in Mumbai? I said, they willing to relocate in Mumbai if any additional allowances are available to me. I mentioned there
Correct.
there also. As they asked me why we have to give allowances, then I simply explained, sir, I know it is an internship program. For interns, you will pay only stipend. But for me, as I'm a family person, sir.
But lucky you could have managed it by telling, no, sir, because I am married and the pay packet is only 27,000, and I think it will be good if I work here, and also it may help my family also. Something like that you could have.
They just tested, and in return back, meanwhile, the conversation only, they explained me that no, we are not giving you to work there, but we are asking if you are willing or not. We are taking your willingness.
They will not.
Then
they will not post
sir.
you outside Telangana. Yeah.
Again, the third question was regarding home loan sales, and as well as car loan sales. What will you do for home loan sales? I said, I have different strategies for different loans. For home loan sales, I will go and meet the real estate or constructors. Let's say Lodha is a company. Like this, reputed companies are there. I will go and publish all data, and I will explain the process of getting loan is somewhat easier when compared to the other banks, in terms of time as well as in terms of rate also, interest rate also. They said, are you able to reach the target of 1 CR in 1 month of home loans? They asked me. Then I said, sir, it is possible if all circumstances are good. Then the circumstances are bad. Circumstances are bad. You didn't reach your monthly target. What will you do? Sir, I will re-upgrade myself and move on. I will re-upgrade myself. I will found what are the lacks in previous persons with the dealings. I will re-upgrade them and I will move on, sir. Then they asked, what will you do for a car loan service? I said, car loans. Then I said, I will go and visit the nearest stores, nearest showrooms. Apart from that, I will go and visit regional office of the Maruti Suzuki or Toyota or Mahindra, and I will explain the features given by the Federal Bank, comparing other banks. They agreed with that one, and they asked me, how do you know about this Federal Bank program?
Good question.
Actually, I too don't know regarding. Even I don't know whether the bank exists in Telangana or not, sir. Why? Because there are only less number of branches are there. I explained them.
Some 14 branches are there, no?
37 branches are there, sir.
37.
37. 37 are there. In 37, around 90% branches are located in Hyderabad only. And Karimnagar is a place, and Warangal and Nizamabad. These are 3 major cities. They have only 1 branch for the district. For overall district, they have 1 branch.
This may stop anytime. Please come back. Sambasiva, Sachin, Sumit, Sanju, Lucky. Anytime it may stop. Continue.
Then again, I said, sir, actually, sir, even nobody knows whether the bank exists in here or not. Then he saying laughingly, at least we have 37 branch, man. You have to appreciate us.
37 is a good
yes,
number. Yeah.
And I said, sir, even I know the bank's name in Nifty, Bank Nifty's weightage only, as it carries only 1.7 weightage, and it is listed in both BSE and NSE. I explained him. I explained him that I know from there only, sir. But personally, I even don't know whether the bank is there in my local city or not.
I will come to you. I will come to you.
Okay.
Yeah, we will stop this now and come back again. Okay, good.
Okay.